Guys, we got the Walther PDP. This is the full-size grip, 9mm. These magazines hold 18 rounds. Time to do a little upgrade to this firearm. So I went to Freelance. Freelance, and I picked up some goodies for it. So I got the Magwell, aluminum Magwell in blue. I got the backstrap. This backstrap has this small screw in the back of it here that'll allow you to attach their Magwell to it. And I got some competition base plates for it. Now, the Magwell says it's legal for IDPA and USPSA, and that's TaylorFreelance.com is where I picked these up. So let's put these on the gun. Firearm is clear, no ammunition in the area while we work on this. Now let's do these base plates first. All right, I like the base plates because they are weighted, add a little heft to it. Now all we got to do is push the bottom out right here. We're going to push that down, slide forward a little bit. Let's keep our thumb on there, and let's slide this right back into position. And make sure we got that locked in. There we go. That's pretty simple, wasn't it? One, and let's put the second one on. Push down, slide forward, keep your thumb in position. Push your base plate right back on, snap it in place, and there we go. Easy enough. So we got our base plates on. Let's see how they do in the gun, just without the Magwell. So there's a gun with just the base plate in it. So now let's put this back strap on. Take a quick peek at this before I put it on. You see right here? It's black. It's blemished with something on it. Same thing on Magwell. It's blemished here black. Down inside here black. What is that? What is that in here? Almost looks like somebody's used it. There's schmutz and stuff in here. Didn't like it. Returned it. Or it just come like that from the factory. Doesn't matter to me. I'm putting it on to use it. I'm gonna scuff it, damage it, and scratch it anyway using it. So let's try to put it on here. So to make your Magwell actually fit, the screw in here, you're actually going to back out the screw. So it's going to come out, and it's going to go into this pocket in the Magwell to hold it in place. So let's screw it back in. There we go. So let's put our back strap on the gun. How do we do that? It looks like we just pushed this pin out right here. There we go. Push the pin out. Rubber, kind of squishy, just pops right out of there. And the new back strap drops in. Really nice fit. We put our pin back. So we push this way, so we're just going to push it back in the same direction. In there nice and tight, not coming out, that's for sure. Oops, there we go. All right, so we got our pin in, we got our back strap on, and firearm with just the back strap on it here for you. Has got a good bit of texturing on the back of it. a lot more grip on the aluminum per the factory. So let's try the magazine with it. Magazine with the back strap. So let's put our Magwell on. And it says the Magwell should just drop right on top, like so. Pretty easy. We take our, what I say this was, 3/30 seconds? 3/30 seconds is what I'm using here. Drop it on. We're going to go right inside this hole. We're going to back that screw out. If I can get a grip on that screw. There it is. So back it out. Now as I back it out, it's supposed to be grabbing in the Magwell and holding it in place. Okay, that's pretty firm. Doesn't feel like that Magwell's going anywhere. Look how it's not centered though, when you look in here. Edge here, I've got a big edge on this side. These are really square. I may take my Dremel and go in here and just real easy open that edge up right there, so it's not such a sharp edge when it drops in here, so I don't hit anything with the magazine as I insert it. Well, sometimes I can feel that. I can feel myself hitting this square edge right here on it. So I think I am going to take my Dremel and just round that off right there a little bit. Took my Dremel, went right inside here with my Dremel, worked these edges off a little bit, all the way around. I need to go back with a little sandpaper and finish it off. Took my knife, scraped away the chunks, the things that were left there in it. Now that I've got the edges all smoothed out in it, magazine's dropping right in the gun. So here are your accessories installed. Fits well. Doesn't seem to really change the balance of the gun at all. It is maybe a little extra grip here, but nice and flush. Magazines jump out. Nothing left to do but head out to the range, put some rounds through it now. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safe. Secure your firearms. Till next time, folks, take care.